Hi everybody, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where I'm in the kitchen with Miss Ellie, and together we are making
Veggie Bugs.
And here's how we're making them. First, we made a flavorful carrot hummus by adding 1 cup of baby carrots into a mini chopper. You can also use a food processor. And finely chopped them. Then we added a clove of garlic, 1 can of drained rinsed chickpeas, tahini sauce, olive oil, sea salt, and onion powder. We blended all of the ingredients together well until it reached a creamy, thick hummus consistency. We created bug bodies by cutting mini cucumbers in half, scooping out the center with a spoon, and then filling them with the carrot hummus. We used lots of veggies, like cucumber slices cut in half as wings, and colorful cherry and grape tomatoes to serve as part of the head and body, along with pieces of carrots and other veggies. We finished each veggie bug by adding candy eyes, using a little cream cheese to serve as our edible food glue. All right, Miss Ellie, thank you for joining me in the kitchen. What did you just build?
A butterfly.
All right, guys, stay tuned at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. We have more great recipes coming your way soon, but in the meanwhile, Ellie and I hope you make veggie bugs, right?
Yeah.